Where we are, Barami?
We are at Grandpapa Grandmama farm.
What we are doing here?
Collecting mangoes.
Who's collecting mango? You sit there. What is it?
Up.
Up. I cannot see anything. Let
Grandpapa.
I check another angle. Where is Grandpapa? Oi. Oh, hello, Grandpapa. Oh, it's so high there. Huh?
Yeah,
About
meter.
what?
I calculate. 7 meters high.
I think little bit more than 7 meters, but almost.
Yes, I think it's 7
Almost.
meters.
Okay, sir.
700
Bye-bye.
centimeters. Bye.